Hi, it's Dow Jones here in American Fork, coming to you from the Firehouse Car Wash and Detail Center. We've taken some time today to explain how to detail the exterior of a car. We've been on different cars and different vehicles. What I want to point out here is that this investment is something you need to take care of. The proper treatment with minimal expenses will retain a higher resale value. You'll enjoy driving the vehicle more during the time of ownership. And your overall cost of ownership will go down if you maintain the car, the paint, and the way you take care of it. What we do when we deliver a car, the final steps are making sure that it's dust-free, that it's got a great look to it. The final inspection's as important as anything else. Walking around the vehicle, checking the chrome, looking for drips, looking for spots that might have been missed. Customers' expectations are high when it comes to a detail. They're paying us to pay attention to details. So that final inspection is a critical element of the overall process. When you miss something, it stands out. But what I like to do is kind of finalize everything with my showroom gloss. It's kind of the final touch. Get rid of those last pieces of dust to make sure the chrome's polished. Just as you're walking around to inspect it, if you see anything, you can touch it up with that, bring it back to brilliance. Again, if you'll spend the time and attention to do a good detail, you won't have to advertise much. Your customers will do your advertising for you. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, your friends will be blown away by the techniques and the things you're doing to keep your car look new and look great. Thank you for spending time with us here at the Firehouse Car Wash. We appreciate Expert Village being here and allowing us to teach and train you how to wash and detail your car like an expert.